Hey guys, so today I'm going to take you with me to the car wash to test out this Ryobi handheld blower. This thing is battery powered, obviously. It's super small form factor. I picked this up just because I typically wash the car 2 times a week in the summer, and towel drying the car got super annoying, and I usually have this issue with water spots or water streaks dripping from under the mirrors, door handles, the trunk. I just really got tired of having the car covered in water stains all the time. I have tested it twice so far, and it actually does a really good job out drying the car. You could use it to dry the car completely, but I would recommend using it in combination with a microfiber. So I'm gonna take you guys to the wash with me now and kind of show you how this thing works and let you know if I think it's worth picking up for you. What do you guys think? I don't think they like it. Another side note, if you do plan on buying this, and I'll link it below, I got it from Home Depot. I think that's the only place you can buy it actually. If you get the bundle, it comes with this 4 amp, 18 volt battery. And from my initial testing, this thing will last about 7 to 8 minutes with the blower running nonstop. I actually picked up a package of 2 of these. This is the 6 amp, 18 volt high performance battery. So I haven't had a chance yet to test this one with the blower going nonstop, but this is a high performance battery. So hopefully this one will last a bit longer so I don't have to worry about it dying while I'm doing the car. I have owned 4 black cars in the last like 7.5 years. Anybody who owns black cars or has owned black cars that's tried to keep them clean knows how much of a pain it is to keep a black car clean. So as I said, I usually try to wash my car twice a week, sometimes more depending on the weather in the summer here. And that's because, you know, I like my car to be clean, and we only get a few months of actual nice weather. So I kind of go a little crazy during that nice season to, you know, keep my car looking nice. The issue is when I wash my car, I'll usually do touchless washes, and no matter what I do, like I'll wash the car and I will towel dry it by hand with microfibers, but no matter how much I try to dry my car off, it seems like there's always a ton of water dripping from under the mirrors, under the door handles, and it leads to staining. That's the initial reason that I picked up this blower, is basically to try to eliminate that, well, to try to speed up the drying process as well, but also to try to eliminate those water stains. It wouldn't be a Sunday morning without Tim Hortons. So we're gonna do soap first. And just cover the car. All right, so I really like these wheels, but they have a huge issue with brake dust. Because of the color of them, they're always filthy. So I'm giving this a try. I think it's a Turtle Wax product. It has this, if it will focus, it has this Mr. Cartoon branding on it, but it's an all-wheel cleaner. It's a non-acid based. So I'm just gonna soak these down while I let the soap sit. So for this cleaner, you actually just have to spray it on and let it sit for 2 minutes and then rinse it off. So I don't need to use a brush or anything. All right, so the car has soaked and I'm just gonna rinse it off quickly. So something that I've learned just from washing my car over the years is that you really wanna make sure you get all of the soap out of the crevices and cracks, because if that does drip later on and this soap scum just kind of sits on your paint, it's gonna stain your clear coat and it's a pain to get out. So just a little pro tip. All right, so the car's nice and clean, but as you can see, it is covered in water. Hopefully the camera will pick this up, but one thing to note too, that my car is not ceramic coated. So if you do have a ceramic coated car, I would be confident in saying you could probably use this thing to dry the entire car. And then maybe just like a quick microfiber touch up at the end. But for me, I'm actually gonna use both of them, kind of maybe panel by panel, but just to show you the force of this thing. It's really strong. It's actually insanely strong. So, like, I've done the entire car with it. You know, like, I'll go over the whole car and kind of do a quick dry with this. But what it's really, really good for, in my opinion, is getting these areas like here, along the trim. Under the mirrors is like the worst one for me. This is where I would always get water stains, no matter how much I try to dry the car off. Like under the mirror here, I'll always get dripping and staining. So with this thing, I can just blow all of that water from underneath the mirror, and it's been amazing, honestly. It's been like a lifesaver for me, because I think one of my largest pet peeves with my car is having water stains on the doors, under the mirrors, or the door handles or whatever. So check this out. That, in my opinion, is worth the money alone. I love this thing. And another area that I really get annoyed with trying to dry is under the door here, because I have to open the door, dry underneath the door with a microfiber, and I'll always get dripping here like an hour after I finish. So with this, I can just blow all that water out from the side. And the wheels are another really nice area. So wheels, like where the lugs are, super annoying to clean, like inside here, right? But this, I can just blow all that water out. All right, guys, so the car is dry, and I'm overall really happy with this thing. So I've used it like 3 times now. And again, like if you do want to purchase this, definitely get at least one extra battery if you do get that bundle. And if you just get the tool on its own and you don't buy the bundle, I'd recommend picking up, well, depending on how you want to use it, but if you're using it for drying your car, I'd recommend getting probably a 2-pack of these 6-amp. If you're not going to get the bundle that comes with a 4-amp. But if you do get the 4-amp, definitely pick up an extra battery. Having that extra battery is just going to ensure that you don't run out of juice when you're drying your car off. Now, in terms of how this thing performs overall, if you're on the fence about it and you are not like super anal about having your car dry and not having water spots or water stains, this is probably going to be overkill, guys. But for me and anybody who's like really into keeping their car clean and keeping it clean as long as possible and looking nice all the time, this thing is really, really good. And I'll link it below again. I got it from Home Depot. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna head home. Me and Julia are probably gonna head to the gym. It's leg day. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe, give it a like. You can comment as well if you want to, no pressure. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video.